Have you ever wondered what's inside of a rock? What does the inside of a rock look like? Well, let's take a geode. A geode is a hollow rock. It was formed when a volcano with gases, carbon dioxide, and water vapor all got in a lava flow and formed in that, and then over time created crystals from the minerals that came. The geode, word geode, comes from the Greek of the earth. Let's explore as we look at some geodes.
Dan, the Rockman. I'm at the Midland Gem Mineral Society annual show. There's a lot of things. And I'm here in the Geo corner. Okay, so we're going to take a little bit peek at the rocks, and I bought some. We're going to kind of see what we can find. Nobody's ever seen the inside of this. Don't tell anybody, but it is awesome. All right, you can come out here and you can look at all the different geodes. Kind of look. You're not going to know what's inside, but there are some color-telling signs on the outside of these. And they got a boatload of geodes here. So you definitely want to come out, take a look, and I've got mine over here, and we're going to see what it's going to look like. All right, this is one of the geodes I picked. It should be like a 2-cell, okay? You've got some red on the outside there. I drew a line of where I'm going to go ahead and get it cut. And we will take a look at this and see. Nobody's seen the inside of it yet. We're going to cut it right down the middle like that. All right? So let's go ahead. We're going to get it in the saw, and we will get going. Okay, I'm over here on the saw. We're going to lift it on up. Okay, that's what it looks like. We got a special clamp right here. So we're going to put those geodes in and get it cut. So I'm going to put it down, and you guys can see in just a minute. All right, that kind of shows we got the rock in there. And we're going to close it on up and get it started. Okay, we got it on, and let's start cranking. It's a cutting. And round it goes. Nobody knows. Alright, the cranking is done. We're going to take it on out and see what we got. Watch out for that mist. Alright, stick the lever down, roll it on out. Alright, I'm going to hand the camera over to here. Here we go. Wash it off. Rinse it off. Alright, are we ready? Here it goes. Ah, look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. Look at those colors. Nice.
That's great.
Look at that gem.
So what kind of crystal is inside
so
that?
Beautiful.
I don't know what that.
Look at the colors.
This is hers. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Oh, there's another one. That neat sulfur type material.
Well, I guess it could be. What it most likely is this thing, this was the original layer, and then it got tossed around in some more hot rock.
So that one's
it made
really
another layer on the outside.
Wow. That is super. That.
We have a proud owner of Amethyst Geode. That is cool, from the Midland Gem Mineral Society and your.
Thank you for watching Dan the Rock Man, and I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed our other videos. Please, if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have, I want to thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. And that we've got some new and exciting things going on, so we're going to be doing some new videos on jewelry making. And that, since it's getting a little bit colder, and that I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and make a polishing drum sander and do it at a very cheap price compared to some of those that are already set up for you that can cost well over $2,000, even $3,000. All right, see you on the next video, and thank you again for watching.